everyone, how you doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smoking, I'm going to show you how to make chicken fried rice in your Instant Pot. Now this is a super easy recipe. You need some rice, you need a couple chicken breasts, you can get fresh or even frozen, some frozen vegetables, or you can use canned vegetables, some ginger, some soy sauce, some butter, some eggs. Kind of whip everything together, throw it in the Instant Pot, stir it around a little bit. It's absolutely delicious. Now I like eating this as the main meal, but you can serve it on the side with a wide variety of dishes, or you can, maybe serve something on top, like a little chicken fried rice bowl. You can put some beef or pork or whatever you want on top. It's absolutely delicious and very versatile. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, the first thing you want to do is to cook the chicken. The chicken is not going to be cooked in the Instant Pot. Mainly we're going to cook the rice in the Instant Pot, and then we're going to stir in the rest of the ingredients and warm it up and keep it warm in the Instant Pot. So you can cook your chicken however you like to do it. If you want to do it in the oven, you can saute it in the frying pan. You can do it on the barbecue grill. But if you watch my channel and are familiar with it, you know I love to do things in the sous vide. So I got some 2 chicken breasts weighing exactly a pound. I lightly seasoned with salt and pepper. I just got it in a regular Ziploc freezer bag. And I'm going to stick it in here, and I'm going to sous vide this anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. Simple as that. Very simple, very easy. And get that going initially because it's going to take at least an hour to cook. So there you go. I'll let the sous vide machine do its work, and we'll get busy on the rest of the ingredients.
Okay, so what we want to do now is just for about 3 to 4 minutes, take some lukewarm water and just run your 2 cups of white rice or brown rice underneath the water, just to get all of the starch. If you can see underneath, you see it's running cloudy. It's getting all that starch off of there, and the reason we do this is to help it to not get mushy when it cooks. It's going to stay firm. So that's it, 3 to 4 minutes. Just kind of give it a good rinse and shake it, and make sure until the water runs clear underneath it in a colander. And that's it. Okay, so now I took 5 eggs. I beat them in a bowl. I put a little bit of half and half in there, but you can put milk or cream or whatever you want. Whipping cream, you don't have to put anything really. Just make it like you would scrambled eggs.
Yeah, we're just doing scrambled eggs, and
5 of them. Just make it like scrambled eggs. The only thing I would do different is to break it up really, really good when you cook it, so it's not big clumps and it really goes farther in the rice.
Yeah.
That's it. Really. Just cook some scrambled eggs.
Cook some scrambled eggs. You can do this ahead of time like we are right now, and yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the other thing. You can make it like the day before or even hours before and cover it in a bowl and put it in the fridge when it's done. And then it's just ready to throw in the rice at the end. So it's very versatile. I love this dish.
Alright.
Okay, so now we're going to add about a tablespoon of sesame oil. You can do any other oil like olive oil or peanut oil or I don't know.
Sesame oil tastes much
avocado
better.
oil.
Ooh.
I already put it on saute high. We're going to do it for 3 to 4 minutes with the rice. I like sesame oil. It's got a special flavor that goes with that whole Asian fried rice.
Yeah, it definitely tastes better with the...
So that's my preference. It does cost a lot, but it goes a long way. So your preference. I would say go ahead and saute it on high 3 to 4 minutes till it starts to brown. Okay, and keep stirring it constantly or it'll stick and you'll get that burn notice. So make sure you're stirring it constantly. Okay, so now we're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. Okay, and then we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of garlic, or that also is 3 garlic cloves. And then we're going to do like 2 teaspoons of ginger. We have this frozen ginger, if you can get it. It's in the frozen section of a lot of grocery stores where we live.
These are cool. They have these little cubes here.
And it's the same. It's just the fresh, it's fresh ginger. I mean, otherwise you can get the ginger root and do it yourself, but this is really good when you put the ginger in there too, with the rice and the garlic. Give it a good
So
stir.
stir it, and then we're gonna pressure cook it for
we're
how
gonna
long?
pressure cook it. If you have the rice setting, that goes for 12 minutes, but otherwise you do manual high pressure cook for 12 minutes.
All right, we'll do that in just a second after we're done kind of dissolving those
Make sure the
ginger
rice is
cubes.
covered too. There
Yeah.
you go.
Okay, so
Okay.
our 6-quart has the rice feature.
Now we put the lid on, make sure that the valve is
sealed. This is the 8-quart, so there's no seal valve. It just does it. And then do 12 minutes manual high. So we're gonna do pressure cook high, 12 minutes, and that's it.
There you go.
If you have the 6-quart though, just push rice and seal it and start. And
All
it'll
right.
go 12 minutes.
We'll be back in a little bit. All right, while we're waiting for that rice to cook, beverage review time. I was excited to see this in the store. This is Carlsberg Elephant, made in Denmark. My mom's side of the family's from Denmark. I've been there. My cousins have taken me. We've had Carlsberg, and the Elephant beer over there is higher alcohol, and the one they sell over here isn't. But this one's actually made in Denmark, 7.2% alcohol. I haven't had this in a long time, so that's what I'm having. And this is my son Kyle and my daughter Ava Grace. Kyle looks like he's pretty tired. All right. And Ava Grace, I already poured her. She's getting Stater Brothers Cranberry Raspberry. They have all these different flavor combinations, and she really likes them. So that's what Ava Grace is
Because
having.
I never already tried the white cranberry, the strawberry and white cranberry.
Yeah, there's so many.
I had the cranberry grape.
All right, the Instapot just started counting down from 12, so we better get busy. And Kyle's trying something. I didn't know what this was. It's just this malt beverage, Malta Goya. And I looked online, and I guess it's like an unfermented beer. It's made with hops and some other stuff. It's non-alcoholic.
Wait, huh?
Yeah, it should be interesting. I don't know if you're going to like this. I definitely want to try a sip. But I guess it's popular, I think, in Mexico. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's what Kyle's having.
So is it just non-alcoholic beer, basically?
Well, they call it a malt beverage. Oh, it's a
Wait,
twist off.
isn't
I know
that
you're
what it
gonna
is? You said
kinda
there's
drop it
hops in
kinda.
there, and it's like it just says
I
it's.
know it's gonna spill, Dad.
Okay.
No,
I
it
know when
doesn't
you
smell
do
good.
yours.
Well, give it a pour. Hold. You want me to pour it for you? Because you got to be careful. Pour it sideways, like this. Here, grab your glass.
Let me see what's in here.
Yeah. But here, let's pour it. Hold your glass, and then pour it like this. Kind of tilt your glass like this. That's why you have to hold it. Okay, it's not that foamy. All right. Wow, it's dark. It looks like a dark beer. And I don't like this new thing they've been doing with these import beers. It's a little sneaky. These are 11.2 ounces instead of 12 ounce, which you can see because I know I have a pint glass, but normally it goes up higher than that. So that kind of irritates me because they save several ounces per 6-pack and they end up making a lot more money by giving you 11.2% instead of the standard 12-ounce beer
Hops
size.
is the. I just looked. Hops are the last ingredient
Oh, okay.
with salt.
Whoops. That's a bottle cap that fell down. Okay. As always, guys, cheers. I appreciate you watching my video. Let's do a cheers together. How's it smell, Kyle?
Not very good.
Let me smell. Does it smell like a beer?
Kind of smells weird. Kind
It
of.
doesn't smell like anything. Okay. Here goes nothing. Give it a sip and we'll
It
tell
smells
them.
like medicine.
I have a feeling this is going to be your favorite drink yet. All right, cheers. Oh yeah, this is definitely from Denmark. This isn't the one they make in Canada or somewhere that says imported, but it's not really from Denmark. It's got a distinct flavor. But it's still very smooth. I really like this. Okay, Ava Grace, stop drinking. What do you think?
I loved it more than the other cranberry.
You say that every time.
No, I really do.
So this one is cranberry raspberry. Can you taste the raspberry?
I can.
And can you taste the cranberry?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so it's a good combination.
Maybe I do.
Okay, maybe.
I don't know what this tastes like. It tastes like how it smells.
Which is what?
Medicine. I really don't know what this tastes like.
It's malty. If you have a malty beer, that's that malt flavor. Ooh, it's pretty strong, too. Well, we're going to try some we like. We're going to try some we don't like. Let's see. Water, corn syrup, pale malt, caramel malt, Now see, I can taste them all.
It's
Caramel
good, it's just
color,
not-
salt, and hops. It's kind of an acquired taste like beer.
It's good. It just isn't like.
It's different. It's definitely different.
Very different.
So, you don't want me to buy you a case
I
of
finished
that?
again. I finished again.
Oh my goodness, you finished again. She really likes it.
I mean, it's better than water. I would.
Seriously?
Okay, it's better than water. They should put that on their advertisement. Try our drink. It's better than water.
Might as well.
All right, guys. As always, cheers. We'll be back in a few minutes. This
Wait,
is
we
almost
forgot
done.
you.
Yeah, mine's
Cheers to
good.
the viewers.
I love it.
All right.
Viewer cheers.
We'll put that on his beer
Cheers to the
too.
viewers.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's very good. All right. Now, you know what it says actually on the bottle? I just
Sorry,
noticed. Probably the best beer in the world.
Sorry, viewers, just because I'm giving you guys a cheer with an empty cup.
All right. We'll be back in a little bit, guys. Cheers.
Cheers. It's really good.
Yeah, okay. All right, it just beeped. We're going to release the steam immediately. Stand back. We'll be back in a second.
Let it just sit there fluffed, because then the condensation or whatever you call it will
Yeah,
go
the
out.
steam,
It
the
won't,
steam, yeah.
it's not going to get like
It's sticking-
mushy.
Sticking a little bit, but yeah, just fluff it up.
Yeah, see it? It's good that way. That's why we rinse that rice, because it's
Yeah,
not
it's
mushy.
definitely good.
All right.
We'll be back in a second. We'll get all the ingredients together and we'll mix this up. All right, so we have the chicken that I cut up into small pieces. How much vegetables is this?
So we put 1.5 cups of mixed vegetables.
And we just use the frozen ones. You
12
can use
ounces.
cans, whatever you want.
A lot of those frozen ones come in 12-ounce bags.
Yeah, so we just heated it up in the microwave. And then there's our scrambled eggs. Of course, we got soy sauce, sesame seeds, and green onions. And now we're back to the rice. We're going to throw in how much?
Tablespoon.
A tablespoon of butter. We're going to
butter.
set it on saute just to melt that.
I put it on high just because it'll get it going quicker.
And then we're gonna mix everything together once this butter kind of melts.
Okay, so just give it a minute.
So we'll be back in a second. All right, the butter's melted. Now we're gonna add the scrambled eggs, the frozen vegetables, or actually they're cooked now.
They're not
but
frozen. Yeah.
they were frozen when we
So we
began.
have corn, and this one is corn and carrots and peas. But you can do whatever you want. We've done all kinds of vegetables before.
Yeah, and now the chicken. And then we're just going to give this a good stir. And if you're not ready to serve this immediately, just put it on the keep warm setting. Give it a good stir. We'll mix it all together. We'll be back in a second, show you how it looks like. All right, we stirred everything together. We got the Instant Pot on keep warm. Now we're going to add a little soy sauce. We're using the low sodium. We like it because it
love
just
soy.
adds a good flavor. But you know, add as little or as much as you
I'm
like.
just going to do the rest of this because there's a little...
Yeah, we had one bottle in the fridge that was just about done. Okay, so we'll give it a good stir. And then we're going to add a little salt and pepper and give it a taste. And, yeah, season accordingly. If you think it needs a little more salt, add some. That's why I always use the low sodium. You can always add more
right.
salt, but you can never take it away.
That's
so
right.
always be careful.
Good rule of thumb.
Oh, but look at this.
It's delicious.
So delicious. I mean, like I said, I can eat this by myself, but you know what?
You got ginger in there, soy,
It's a
everything.
wonderful...
Salt and pepper, maybe.
Little salt and pepper.
Little.
It's also great as a side dish. We're going to actually serve it tonight with some orange chicken on
Right.
top. And yeah, it's going to be absolutely delicious. All right, we're going to keep stirring this and we'll be back in a second to serve it up and see how everyone likes it.
It looks good.
All right, here we are. It's all ready. We're going to scoop some out for us to try. And add, you know, as much soy sauce as you feel is necessary. And definitely, again, I can't tell you enough. Go for the low sodium.
Oh, yeah, because when you put
That's-
too much, then
yeah.
it's too salty.
This one's already salty enough, and we used the low sodium, so I
Yeah,
couldn't even
I agree.
imagine if we used the regular stuff.
Totally.
It'd probably be like, oh my goodness. Or maybe
I
it's just because
agree.
I get older, I can't handle
Well, that could be it, too.
as
You're
much.
old.
Well, no, I can't handle as much salt.
I'm just joking.
It's just too much. You
Okay,
know?
there you go. So there's...
Okay. And now we're going to top it off. We got a little bit of
well,
soy
I'll put a little
sauce.
soy. Okay.
Just a little bit.
Just a little.
Give it a little bit
A
of
little bit.
flavor.
Okay.
And
we'll
another
do
good topping to have is
Some
some
sesame.
Yeah, sesame seeds.
Okay.
There we go.
And then we have some green onion. Little topping right there. A little garnish. Look at that. Boom.
So there we go, guys. Look at that. We'll be back in a second. Give this a sample.
That
All right, so we're just serving this with orange chicken, frozen orange chicken, nothing spectacular.
What was it, Foster Farms or something?
Foster
It was good.
Farms.
I actually like it.
You know, I don't want
For
to
a frozen.
necessarily demonstrate serving frozen chicken on my video, but you know what? It's orange chicken. We've had it before. It's pretty good. So we cooked it in the oven. It's got an orange sauce.
And
We're
we have
gonna-
mother-in-law here, and so we're trying to make it like where we have a nice big meal for everyone that's good.
Yeah, we're just putting it on top of this chicken fried rice, and
This
there you
works.
go. Complete meal.
Yep, there you go.
Look at that. All right, we'll be back in a second to give this a sample. Welcome back. I'm here with my whole family, my wife Monica, Kyle, and Ava Grace. We have some laid out here. Ava Grace is also going to try some minus the orange chicken because that's too much for her.
Right, but you have your regular.
Hang on.
Look, it's vegetable rice.
Let me
Wanna
grab
try
this
it?
if I can.
You ready?
All right, everyone, give it a taste and
Okay.
look at the camera.
Let's do it.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, and tell everyone what you think.
Yeah, let's see. How we like it.
And there's a little bit of good orange chicken in there.
I like chicken fried rice. But you can do it with shrimp or
Chicken fried rice is good.
What do you think?
beef, pork. But chicken is the old standby.
She likes it.
I love it so much. It's real good.
Okay, that's a big plus right there.
Winner chicken dinner.
When she can eat stuff
like
like
a
this,
big
this is a
winner
big
chicken.
plus.
Yeah, it's a bonus. Kyle,
Yeah,
what do you
it
think?
is.
Look at the camera. Tell them what you
But it
think.
is
That's
chicken
fine.
fried rice. So I can say it's a
I like
winner
chicken
chicken
fried
dinner.
rice.
Or a winner
You like chicken fried rice?
dinner.
Yeah. The orange chicken's not too bad either, huh?
You make it?
It's
Not the
so
orange
good.
chicken, no.
I
That's
love
frozen,
this
but the
thing.
chicken
Look at
fried
that.
rice.
This is good.
So good.
I'm glad you like it, Ava Grace.
I love it. And with the veggie pieces, I like that.
Mm,
Wow.
that's huge for her. She doesn't normally do
That's
veggie
not
pieces.
big
That's
rice.
really good.
My first time trying.
What level are you?
Wait, I'm level 8.
I think she's going to level 9 on her feeding.
Yeah, you
What?
got levels.
We have levels.
Yeah.
Did I actually eat it all?
Level 9 right there.
As always, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I would love it if you would consider subscribing and check out my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. And thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
It's so good. You like it, huh?
You like it?
If you let me rate it 1 to 10, I'd say 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000.
All right.
I love it.
Mm.